Oh, there's the Rufus's back. She's on the back side. She'll be around here in a minute. But we're in the middle of a nesting area. I haven't found any of their little nests, but at first light there was over 100 of the hummingbirds at these two feeders fighting and carrying on, and it was right at daybreak. I was surprised that they were up, because it was in the mid 60s, but it was cold for up here. But these mountain hummingbirds are tougher than the deserts. And it's funny how the females act like the males, fighting and chasing everybody off from the feeders. And it's funny too, Molly Ann's got a red collar on, and they freak her out. They'll come up trying to get nectar out of the collar and fly right up in her face. Oh, there's Yellow Jacket. Of course. It's hard to believe that the sting of one of those little yellow jackets will kill a hummingbird. And it's funny how they've been flying down with it. I mean, they were so close you could feel the wind from their wings on our faces, because they're memorizing our face. So they'll know when we come back that there'll be food here. But we've only got them for about another 6 weeks, and then they'll be heading to Mexico. Okay, y'all. I think we're going to make a run into Durango. We'll talk to you later.